My science fair project is on the treatment and reuse of produced water to mitigate the environmental impacts of oil and gas production. My name is Haoyu Wang from Centennial High School in Las Cruces, New Mexico. For this project, I constructed and tested a vacuum membrane distillation system to treat highly saline produced water from the Permian Basin in New Mexico. In the United States, 21 billion barrels of produced water are generated annually. Mexico alone generates 1.2 billion barrels. Every barrel of produced water costs a conservative price of $1 for disposal, but can cost up to $8 per barrel. This would cost at least $21 billion in the United States for produced water disposal. In addition to high-cost disposal, deep well injection has many difficulties, such as limited receiving capacity, potential for seismicity, and stringent regulations. Unregulated disposal of produced water is an even greater issue, affecting the environment by killing plants and animals, as well as polluting the groundwater and surface water. One way to minimize the environmental impacts and health risks of produced water disposal is to reuse this wastewater. Produced water reuse is especially important for arid and semi-arid regions, including New Mexico, where water is scarce and chronic droughts are the primary challenges facing local communities and economic development. Although because of the produced water's high salinity, it cannot be treated by conventional methods. To treat the produced water, I constructed a prototype vacuum membrane distillation system and conducted experimental work to analyze the water quality and system performance. The membrane distillation system removed more than 99.9% of salts and generates 7.4 liters of high-quality distillate per hour per meter squared of membrane surface area. The treatment cost is cheaper than the disposal and the use of conventional treatment methods. The treated produced water can also be reused for agricultural irrigation, rangeland restoration, stream augmentation, and other industrial uses such as cooling water. Thank you for watching my video on the treatment and reuse of produced water.